So in Seattle, you grew up in what part exactly? Like,
Man,
what block was you on? Like,
bro, I grew up all over Seattle, bro. I grew up in the Central District, right?
Okay.
That's where I first moved, straight from Detroit. Moved in the CD. I moved to the North End, the South End, the West Side, Tacoma.
Okay, but your first stop was the CD.
The Central District. Man.
Let's go.
CD and CD.
Let's go.
Yeah.
And what block was that?
I was living on 22nd and Jefferson, right behind Ezel's.
Oh, heavy.
That's actually the LP block.
Okay, what's that?
Low profile. Right? So that was the LP block. But back in the day, it was crazy, bro. That's back when I was there, 93. That's back when niggas were getting shot up for starter jackets. Yeah, niggas. Over at Garfield High School, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Legendary Garfield High School.
You went to Garfield?
No, I didn't go to Garfield. I was too young. Yeah.
So where'd you go for high school?
Where I go to high school, I went to an alternative school on the east side.